Hi, my name is Matthew Kim, and today's literature lesson will be on point of view. So point of view is the vantage point from which the story is told from. Different points of view can include first person, second person, third person limited, and third person omniscient. So what first person is it uses the pronoun I, or it uses we when you're talking in plural. The story is told from one person's or one group's subjective perspective. An example here would be I watch a scary movie alone in my house, but I don't get scared. You notice the pronoun usage of I in the sentence and is told from your point of view. Second person uses the pronoun you. This kind of speaks directly to the reader and it gives them the mindset of they're able to make their own conscious choice in the story. An example would be you watch a scary movie alone in your house, but you don't get scared. So third person limited uses the pronouns he, she, it, and they. The story is told from a person, object, or group's perspective. The key factor that defines third person limited is that the fact that the narrator only has access to the thoughts and feelings of one character and one character only. An example here would be she watches a scary movie alone in her house, but she doesn't get scared. You notice in this sentence, we only have the thoughts and feelings of one character, in this case being she. Third person omniscient uses the same pronouns as third person limited, he, she, it, and they. However, the story is told from many different perspectives. In this case, the narrator has access to the thoughts and feelings of all the characters involved in the story. An example here is she doesn't get scared, but the monster lurking in the dark thinks she's bluffing. So in this case, we have the thoughts and feelings of she, and also in this case, the monster, all characters in this short little story. So here we have a quiz. So you're going to read each sentence below, and on a separate piece of paper, you're going to write whether it's first person, second person, third person limited, or third person omniscient. Feel free to use the abbreviations I have provided next to the sentence. When you're done, don't forget to press play on the video to keep going. So some key points to wrap up this lesson that these help the reader understand the character's thoughts and feelings. Each character's point of view tells a different story. And depending on the point of view the writer uses, readers can experience surprises or prior knowledge of events. For example, if the writer decides to give a certain character different emotions that only we know about, the reader won't know about this until those events happen. So your homework here is to take out a blank sheet of paper, different from the quiz, and you are going to write one sentence in first person, one sentence in second person, one sentence in third person limited, one sentence in third person omniscient, and in one or more complete sentences, you are going to describe the difference in limited and omniscient point of view. Please make sure to use complete sentences and bring your piece of paper with your sentences written clearly on them to class tomorrow. Thank you.